Hey there, food fans! Let's talk almond milk, the rock star of the plant-based milk scene. More and more folks are ditching dairy for this tasty alternative. Why? Well, it's got a lot going for it. It's lactose-free, often lower in calories than cow's milk, and it's got a nutty sweetness that's pretty darn delicious. But have you ever wondered how this creamy beverage makes its way from the almond orchard to your fridge? Buckle up, because we're about to go behind the scenes to see how almond milk is made on an industrial scale. It's a fascinating journey that involves some serious machinery, a few clever processes, and a whole lot of almonds. Our journey starts in sunny California, the almond capital of the world. Almond trees thrive in warm climates, and California's Central Valley provides the perfect conditions. During harvest season, which typically kicks off in late summer, mechanical shakers literally shake the almonds from the trees. The almonds fall onto giant nets spread out beneath the trees. From there, they are swept up and transported to processing plants. Almonds used for milk production have to meet strict quality standards. Only the best make the cut. Once at the factory, the almonds get a thorough cleaning. They are passed through a series of machines that remove dirt, leaves, and any other debris that may have hitched a ride from the orchard. This cleaning process is crucial for food safety and ensures that only the highest quality almonds are used. The transformation from nut to liquid gold. Now for the fun part, turning those cleaned almonds into liquid gold, or almond milk as we know it. The almonds are first blanched, which means they're briefly soaked in hot water to loosen their skins. This makes it easier to remove the skins, which can give the milk a bitter taste. Next up, the almonds are ground into a fine paste. Water is added during this process, and the ratio of almonds to water will determine the thickness and creaminess of the final product. The science of smooth achieving that creamy texture. The almond paste then goes through a series of filters to remove any remaining solids. This is what gives almond milk its smooth, creamy texture. Different manufacturers use different filtration methods, but the goal is always the same: to create a milk that's free of grit and sediment. Some manufacturers also use a process called homogenization, which helps to prevent the milk from separating. This involves passing the milk through a small space at high pressure, which breaks down the fat particles and distributes them evenly throughout the milk. Safety and nutrition, ensuring a healthy choice. To ensure safety and extend shelf life, almond milk is pasteurized. This process involves heating the milk to a specific temperature for a set amount of time to kill any harmful bacteria. Many manufacturers also fortify their almond milk with vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin E to boost its nutritional value. From factory to fridge, delivering almond goodness. Finally, the finished almond milk is packaged, usually in aseptic cartons that help to preserve freshness and prevent spoilage. These cartons are then shipped to stores, ready to be enjoyed in your morning coffee, smoothie, or straight from the glass. So there you have it, the journey of almond milk from orchard to your fridge. It's an intricate process that involves a combination of traditional methods and modern technology, all working together to create a delicious and nutritious plant-based alternative to dairy milk.